Hi, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel, guys. One thing I'm discuss. So, guys, I'm earning YouTube and website AdSense. Lot of options are there. So, US tax information, how we can add it. So, what are the major problems? Some people are give the guidance, everything is perfect. So they hide some details. So in this AdSense, in a particular website, to earning purpose, the proper earning purpose, they give the your US citizen or Indian citizen, they give some information they ask. So when coming to you, Google AdSense or any option, so they will give some questions. So what are the earnings you will be created? So that all will be here. They give way in this option here. Manage tax information. So here the error will be came, they will be people will click this option, they come into the error. So where we can find out this error? Go to the payment option. In the payment option, so what are the payment you received or what are the option will be received? In this payment mode, there is a call option will be setting. Into the setting option, we have to enable by manage tax beneficiaries. So in this manage settings, you have option name is called US state tax information. Manage tax information where payment and the option will be here. If you click this option also, same page will be displayed. So where you can find out, there's a first problem. So here, first add tax information. Here, compulsory you will be logging your account. Some steps will be given your account. First of all, you're running for individual or non-individual. You're running entity or any kind of information. There's a first priority. So if you are running for company purpose, go with non-individual. Suppose your individual purpose, go with individual. I can go with individual. So this will be complete for here. Second question, are you citizen resident of the US? You are any residence from US? If you know, click for no. If you are yes, click for yes. Suppose you are a US citizen, click yes. No, click for no. Next option. So here, first of all, this form most commonly used non-US individuals and would also use a claim tax strictly benefit. This form is commonly used by non-US business entity. So this will be individual, this is a business. Both are non-US, but the first one is the individual, second one is the business. So I'm selecting which individual option. Start this form. This is the first step. Individual and your citizen and your form submission. After this one, what are the options are here? Your full name complete, you can write here. Suppose you're running any kind of company, the business, you can write the name. Or else, no need to write any option. Here you can mention specifically India. So you're not in your citizen. After this one is asking for foreign TIN. There is nothing but your PAN card number. So nobody can providing foreign TIN. There is your PAN card number will be provided here, your particular option. After click the next option, the total will be finished 6 levels. First level finish, name, your country and your PAN number. Suppose you have running for business purpose, write on your business name here. Or else no need required. So enter the PAN number and click for next. So we can go with the option will be here. Permanent resident address, PO box, in care of address. So you can writing for complete address will be second step. So all address will be here. Click for next option. So I'm clicking for all address. You have to wait for some time. So this was finish here everything. Next will be track treatly. There's nothing but what are the information you can providing from tax information, how is happening, that all will be here in a particular option. So that will be added by, if you are looking for tax information, like suppose people deduct some amount, 15%, 30%, that is not interested to earning money from US tax, some pay some amount to India persons. So that is called, we can selecting for S option. Now selecting S here, that will be India. So these are the option will be selected here in a particular option. After the click for in this. So these are the major option. So you're earning money purpose, website and YouTube. YouTube AdSense are there, website AdSense are there. So that is called, you select the form and click the ratio. How much amount will be deducted by here. So done. Next, in this form, next will be how much interest rate will be deducted. 15%. Select. Other important. Select the form. So I'm not go for the more deduction rating. So only for 15%. Select. Click for next. So these are the tax information you have to show in the particular. So what are the PDF you can download? That all PDF will be here. This document proof compulsory required on your particular US tax information. Confirm it. Click for next. Finally here, this name will be, so here. Yes, I'm the person listed as in the signature section. I'm completely this form and own myself. If you are creating your own or some agent like this, I'm creating is the own option. Click for next. Next thing is called here the all option will be compulsory important. Has individual entity identity or tax identity section perform any activities or services from Google within US? Yes or no? Next will be status. So I'm providing tax information, new or existing payment profile that has not received the payment. You receive the previous any payment or not receive the payment. If you receive the payment, if you click the OK with the option will be here. So you actually done by yours? No. Here, your first time we will be perform your payment will be first time receiving, selecting the first option. If you're selecting already your payment already received previously, go with the second option. So obviously I'm selecting that this the payment will be number of times. So there will be finally click the submit option. So what are the options are very important. You are the US citizen. If you go with US option, your Indian citizens select the US option. Which is no, select the no option. Which is yes, select the yes option. Finally click for submit. The final one, they go to the stage is called approved stage. So the final everything will be claimed. What are the changes are required? Once I click the submit the form, no need to worry. So what are the form you will be submit the form thoroughly and give information once again into the here. Finally, the form will be certified by your tax information approved. You receive the mail on your mail address. So this you open it and check the email. So what are the mail you receive from the Google AdSense? You can check by mail itself. So guys, what are the information you provide everything the properly mentioned and to activate from each and every option. So little take time, some time to the receive the mail or you have to wait for some period. So this is a tax information approved. The process will be followed by here. Today I'm approved on the particular things. So after that, the information will be removed from your particular option. So when I click here, same will be show this option. So these are the functionality will be received to activate the Google AdSense payment. UX tax information will be providing properly. If any issues will be happen, no need to worry. Click for 1 second submit. If you have any questions are there, can ask me to the channel. Definitely will be help. This information compulsory mandatory YouTube earning purpose and website earning purpose. US tax information compulsory you have to fill up under particular Google AdSense option. If any further question, you can ask me to my channel, Digital Rakesh. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.